Relation between angles. Number one, adjacent angles. The two adjacent angles have common vertex and a common side. That means the other two sides are on the opposite sides of the common side. Look at the figure. You find ABD and DBC are adjacent angles, which have BD is a common side and vertex B is a common vertex. Number two, the complementary angles. Complementary angles, which mean that the sum of measures of the two angles equal 90 degree. Look at the right side, you find the angles, this angle 30 degree and 60 degree. They are adjacent complementary angles because they have common side and also common vertex. These complementary angles make the outer side are perpendicular, but the other side, left side, these are complementary angles but non-adjacent complementary angles. Number three, supplementary angles. The sum of measures of the two supplementary angles equal 180. Look at right side. You find this angle equal 30 degree and 150. The outer sides are forming straight line. These are adjacent supplementary angles. But at left side, they are supplementary angles but non-adjacent supplementary angles whose measures equal 180. Look at this 30 and 150. What's next? The two adjacent supplementary angles. Two adjacent supplementary angles formed from intersection of a straight line and ray whose starting point lies on this straight line. They forming supplementary angles. These angles called supplementary angles. BD intersect AB at point D, and you find the measure of angle ABD plus measure angle CBD equal 180. Their measure is 180. Vertically opposite angles, VOA. What is the meaning of VOA? If two straight lines intersect each other, then the measure of each two vertically opposite angles are equal. They are like scissor. When you open scissor, you make four angles. AB straight line intersect CD straight line at point M. So measure angle AMC equal measure angle BMD. The left and right angles are equal, and measure angle BMC equal measure angle AMD. The blue one, which are up and down angles, are equal. It's a very important. VOA. Accumulative angles at a point. Accumulative angles mean that the sum of measures of accumulative angles at a point equal 360. 360 when they are more than one angle, more than two angles at around same point, they have summation of their measure equal 360 degree. Look at this figure. You will find three angles ABD and or plus angle CBD plus angle ABC equals 360 degree. The angle bisector. Angle bisector, it's a ray divides the angle into two halves. This red colored ray divides the angle into two equal parts. This is a right angle. Its measure is 90 degree. This ray divide it into 45 and 45 degree also. And the other one, the red colored ray, also divide the angle into 60 degree. This red colored ray divide the angle into two equal parts. This is a right angle. Its measure is 90 degree. This ray divide it into 45 and 45 degree also. And the other one, the red colored ray, also divide the angle into 60 degree and